regardless of what kind of business that you run, and no matter the size of your business, be it big or small, there's always one thing that you're always going to need, and that is leads. So I'm going to share with you in this video my main methods to generate leads. Alright? And in no particular order, I'm going to share them with you. So if your business has been struggling to get leads, or you're happy with your business right now but you want to grow it to the next level, this is going to help you out. Alright? So a few main ways that we do to get leads to our business. Number one, that we've been doing for a long time, is joint ventures. And I think joint ventures is a great method to tap into other people's following or mailing list, because you see, if these guys already have a following, what you got to do is that you approach all these experts and ask them to promote your product for a percentage or a profit share. Totally up to you. And this is a method that I've used to great success for a long time, where I've launched multiple products all the way up to 7 figures, and even got JVZoo Pick of the Day and premium vendor as well. So does this method work? Absolutely. However, there are some drawbacks to it, chiefly that it's usually short term, whereby a JV partner will promote you and after that he goes on to the next offer. So these are some of the weaknesses you have to contend with. But all in all, if you're looking for a quick and faster way to tap into existing channels, joint ventures is the way to go. Second method, Facebook ads. Now, I like using Facebook ads now because it's an evergreen method of getting traffic consistently to your website and generate leads. Now, unlike joint ventures though, take note that you'll be tapping into cold traffic most of the time, and that means people who have not heard about you before. Alright, this is quite different from joint ventures, where you have someone else plugging in for you, and you have someone else speaking the good word about you. Alright, now it might take a little bit more effort than usual, and I think this is why a lot of people gave up with cold traffic. But understand that majority of the people on the web or in the world are technically cold traffic because they've not heard about you. Alright, but if you create your funnel and your messaging to be targeted at cold traffic, and you're able to turn every $1 into at least $2 and above, then you've got a winning funnel. Alright, so we've been using Facebook ads to get clients and new customers. It's our favorite right now because it's evergreen. You only need to do it once and tweak it every now and then, and once you get a winner, you can just let it be. Alright, and it's almost hands-free after that. That's how cool that is. Okay, so the other equivalents would be Google ads or any other paid advertising like media buying. But I just want to share with you that Facebook has been working wonderful for us. Alright, so far what I've shared with you are usually the online marketing methods. Here's to help you think a little bit outside the box. Alright, especially if you deal with offline businesses or traditional businesses. Here's something that I've done out of the box I thought I'll never do, is to join what I call this referral marketing organizations such as BNI. Alright, so BNI has been around for a long time, since 1985, and I was quite fortunate to join a highly active chapter. So I'm not going to promise that my results will be the same way as yours, because chapters like this do come and go, and I think it's part and parcel of any business. But the purpose of BNI, in case you have not heard of it before or you're not too familiar with it, is that BNI is basically a referral marketing platform where business owners like yourself and myself, we would come to chapters like this and refer business to each other. Right, so it might sound old school, but hey, it works. Alright, as an online marketer myself, I thought it's something that wouldn't work for me, but I'm happy to tell you that it's been getting me some really great returns so far. I'd say as much as nearly 20 times as of the time of this video. Okay, but again, I don't want to promise that my results will be your results, because it depends on the local chapter that you join, and of course your effort as well. Alright, because if you're not actively networking, you're not actively putting yourself out there, then I can't say that this is going to work for you. Okay, so these are my main marketing methods to generate leads for our business. Hope this helps. Should you try all of this? I'd say give it a go. Focus on one method at a time. Once you get good at it, then you can move on to the next and start gaining mastery. Okay, so same thing goes for me. I didn't jump to all these methods in a go. And are there other marketing methods out there? Definitely. However, this is what's been working wonderful for us, and I do recommend that you think out of the box. Do things that your competitors are not doing, so you start getting results that you're not getting. Alright, so my name's Edmund. Thanks for watching, and hope this helps you to get greater marketing success. Take care.